Right, welcome to my how-to guide on how to use the child lock feature on your Siemens IQ dishwasher. To activate it, you simply have to use this key button here, which is the quick wash. But you can only activate it once the machine is in use. So set it going. So right now, okay, we can't use any of the other options on this cycle, but on other cycles you can select additional options such as extra dry and hygiene plus during the cycle. So we'll use a child lock now. Press and hold. Then CL comes up. Now if you press any button, CL comes up to indicate the option is selected. What you can do though is still turn the machine off. If you turn it back on again, it will automatically start. This is a safety feature on most machines with child lock. It's there for in an emergency. We can also still open a door. Anyway, to deactivate the child lock, press and hold the child lock button. Now, even if pressing the program buttons, child lock is now not coming up, so now you're able to select additional options. Like I said, this is a bad way. The one thing you can't do with child lock is reset the program, but now we should be able to. There we are. So that's how to use the child lock button on your Siemens IQ dishwasher. I hope you found this video helpful to use it on your own at home. Thank you for watching.